You're not broke because you don't make enough, you're broke because you buy what everyone else buys. Rich people buy this, most people buy that. And in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly where the split happens. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is wired for immediate reward. Buy something, feel powerful, feel upgraded, feel seen, for about 10 minutes. Then the high fades, and the payment stays. Most people are trapped in a cycle: earn, spend, repeat. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because nobody taught them what to buy instead. Your income isn't the problem, your buying pattern is, and shift number 2 is the one almost nobody sees coming. Wealth builders buy assets, consumers buy upgrades. An asset pays you, a liability charges you. It's that simple and that brutal. One declining slowly, one rising slowly. Rich people don't chase status, they buy income streams first, and let the streams fund the status later. They buy time, not watches, but time. Most people trade hours for money, then spend money on things that waste more hours. Wealth builders do the opposite. They automate, delegate, systemize, so their hours produce income, even when they're not present. Time in the final shift. This one changes who you become. They invest in skills and systems, not just entertainment. Entertainment feels good today, knowledge pays you for a decade. One skill, one system, one mentor, compounding quietly while others are distracted. This is where the identity shifts. When you change what you buy, you change who you are. You stop reacting to dopamine. You start designing outcomes. You stop being a consumer. You become an owner. Not louder, not flashier, just calmer, more strategic, unshakable. Ownership is an identity. What's one thing you're currently spending money on that your future wealthy self wouldn't, and what will you replace it with? Comment it below. I read every single one. If this felt slightly confronting, good. That means you're thinking differently already. You don't need more money. You need to start buying like the person you're becoming.